established 3 of the campuses, which is Montessori Eden, Beacon Secondary School, Beacon O-Level School. And Alhamdulillah, we have gone for now 4th campus.
The 20 years of excellence in educating children at Montessori Eden, our brand has become synonymous with quality, care, education and innovation.
Our vision at BAS is to foster a conducive environment where our students can grow, learn and be the leader in their future life.
We've got all those facilities which contribute towards giving excellent exposure to our students, and whatever the dream we had for this campus, inshallah we are going to fulfill that.
At Dream Cambridge campus, we strive to create a nurturing environment that fosters freedom, independence, self-motivation and love for learning.